Good morning, boys and girls. It is Friday and it is our final sound of the week, our final phonics lesson. We have a new sound, we're going to recap old ones and spellings plus a sentence. I hope you are ready. Grab yourself a piece of paper and a pencil and let's get ready to go. I have a new sound today. I have some people that are trying to get in their car and they're trying to start it. If I put it nice and close, you might be able to see. Can you see that? And the lady is saying to the man, start the car. Can you say that? Well done. My turn. Start the car. Start the car. I'm going to do it in some silly voices. Start the car. Start the car. Brilliant. Our sound today is two sounds that make one sound, two special friends that make one sound. Together make ah. What does it make? Ah. My turn. Ah. Ah. Well done. Same game as usual. I'm going to flash you the sides and you've either got to say start the car or ah. I'm going to give myself a little wriggle this morning. I hope you're ready. Let's go. Well done. Let's do it all together this time. Ah. Ah. Start the car. Ah, well done. What was our sound there, boys and girls? Tell me. You are right. It is ah. Together makes perfect. See if you can blend these sounds together. I'm going to sound them out. You've got to push them together and see if you can make the word. Ah. Ah. Well done. Car. The car goes racing down the road. What about this one? Ooh, I love to go to this place and I know you do too. Park. I love to play in the park. Should we do one more? Oh, I'm thinking of a good one here. It goes like this. Shark. Brilliant. Boys and girls, our sound today we know is ah. Let's see if we can find it in the pack. I'm going to hide it and then when you see it you need to shout ah. There you are. Shut your eyes though, no peeking. Let's go. Remember that one? Ooh. E. Well done. Ah, there you are. Let's hide it again. That rhymes. Ah, there you are. Let's go again. E. Quicker. O. I. A. Hope you remember those ones. Ah, there you are. Well done. Together makes ah. What's our sound? Ah, brilliant. I have some words, boys and girls. Let's see if we can sound them out together. Remember when you see our sound today, we don't sound it out as we sound it out as ah. Again. Car. Brilliant. Can you see the special friends? There's our sound. Let's go. Park. I love to play in the park. Oh, this is a one for perhaps mums and dads, grands and granddads. Let's have a go at this one. Again, ba. Oh, and this is our quick fire one. We should know all of these sounds so you can do it straight away. Jam. I love jam on my bread. You know what sound it is now. It's tricky word time. Here we go. I'm going to show you them and you just need to shout out what they are. I. Be. She. My. To. He. Me. We. You. Well done. Okay. Do you think we could perhaps write some words again today? You are going to need your pen and pencil right now. So let's get those disco hands ready. Put them up to the sky. Can we raise the roof today? Make sure you're raising the roof. This makes good spellers. Freeze. The first word on your fingers today is... How many sounds is in the word bar? Bar. Off you go. Bar. If I go out, I might go and get a drink from the bar. Bar. On your fingers, how many sounds is in the word bar? B-ah. B-ah. 3, 2, 1. Ka-ching! Show me how many sounds. I think 2. Let's check how many sounds are in that word bar. Together. B-ah. Bar. Remember when we're writing today's sound, which I've lost, it's here. We have our ah sound. Ah. Can you write down for me? Bar. Off you go. See if you can write that one. Bar. Three seconds left. 2, 1. Okay, hopefully you're done. If not, let's do it together. What is our first sound in bar, boys and girls? Bar. B. Ah, remember? Ah, our ah sound. Ah. B. Ah. Bar. If you had that, take your take. If not, quickly change it before we do our next one. Just wrote on my hand there. B. Ah. Bar. Well done. Okay. I'm going to do a super fast disco hand this time. Freeze. Your next word on your fingers today is the word park. I love to go to the park and play on the swings. On your fingers, how many sounds are in the word park? Off you go. Park. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, ka-ching! I think 3. Let's check. Park. Do it again. Park. Boys and girls, nip your fingers, write it down. Off you go, write it down on your piece of paper underneath your last one. Park. Park. Are you ready? Hopefully you're done. Give you another couple of seconds. Okay, let's do it all together. What is our first sound, boys and girls, in park? Well done. Down the pirate's plaid, back up and over his face. What is the next sound in park? Ah, there's our special friends. Ah, ah. And our final sound? Ah. Well done. Now remember, if a k sound comes at the end, it sometimes finishes with a kicking k. Remember, kites are flying in the sky. So p, a, k. Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. P, a, k, p, a, k. If you've got that, teach a tip. If you haven't, change it quickly. Ooh. And we're going to do a recap one. Are you ready for a recap one? Get your pencils back out. I want this one to go straight onto your piece of paper, not on your fingers. Can you get it straight on your piece of paper? It's going to be an easy one, I think, I hope. The word I'd like you to write straight away is zoo. I love to go to the zoo and see the gorillas. Zoo. Off you go. Write straight down. Zoo. 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 Can you remember those sounds? I hope so. Write it down, quick. When you're done, pencil down. Zoo. Are you ready? Should we do it together? Zoo. Zig, zag, zig, zzz. Can you remember the oo sound? Oo, poo at the zoo. Ugh, that poor man's job. Zoo. There's our oo sound. Oh, well done. Okay. Would you like a sentence today? I'm thinking it's quite... You might find this one a little bit easy today. I hope so. Your sentence today is, we had a red car. We had a red car. Car has our R sound in it, but there's also we. We haven't done we yet. We know it in our tricky words. Let me quickly find it. I'll shuffle through. No, I'll find it in a second. It's coming. He, me, and we. It's our magic E, boys and girls. So when you write your first word today, we, remember, a capital letter for W, make sure it's nice and tall, with our magic E. We had a red car. We had a red car. Say it with me. We had a red car. Okay, what I'd like you to do is try and write that down, remembering your capital letter, finger spaces and full stops, and then once you've finished, resume the video and we will practice and see if we had it right. Pause the video now, off you go. Welcome back, boys and girls. Hopefully you've now wrote your sentence of, we had a red car. And I want you to help me see if I can write it on the board. We. We was our tricky word, boys and girls. It doesn't even make sense. It's a tricky word. We know it's a magic E. So when you write your we, remember to have your capital letter nice and tall and our magic E. We. Now I've got a new word I need to put on my finger space. Well done. Had. What does had start with? Shout out for me. Had. A. D. Brilliant. We had a. We can all do that, remembering that finger space moves on to the next word because it's a new word. We had a. We had a. What's our next word? Red. Okay, red. What's it start with? Initial sound. Brilliant. Red. We had a red finger space car. Car. What does that start with? And this one is clicking castanets. Curly caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. Ah. There's our sounds. Ah. R. And we finish with a. Let's check. Capital letter. Finger spaces and a full stop. We had a red car. Hopefully you've got that, boys and girls. Well done if you have. Excellent. That's our phonics over for the week. Next week we're going to have a recap week, not learn any new sounds. We're just going to focus on what we already know and hopefully become super fast. I'll see you then.